Assalamualaikum friend viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video friends, I will share some amazing and stylish Christmas centerpiece decoration ideas. So viewers, let's start today's video. Christmas bottle centerpiece decoration ideas. Viewers, Christmas bottles. Here's a beautiful Christmas bottle centerpiece that glow like a winter evening, warm in soft lights and decorative with seasonal greenery. It's bring a warm magical touch to any table, simple, elegant, and full of festive charm. Christmas bottle centerpiece. The Christmas charm. This bottle centerpiece captures holiday beauty, twin spins, glass and forest branches, creating a cozy farmhouse inspired looking that instantly make your space feel warm and inviting. Bottle centerpiece spark and shine. This centerpiece bring holiday spark to life. A clear bottle filled with fairy lights and topped with shimmering ornaments, perfect for adding a little Christmas charm to your decoration. Classic red and green. A festive bottle centerpiece dresses in classic red and green teddy berries. Evergreen springs and soft lights make it a perfect seasonal accent for your dining table or holiday table setup. Bottle centerpiece. Snow White's theme. This Christmas bottle centerpiece feels like a snow day indoor. White flower, forest leaves, and cool lights creating a peaceful winter look that's softly claiming and elegant. Bottles. Golden holiday glow, warm in golden ribbon and warm fairy lights. This bottle centerpiece brings a luxury Christmas glow. A simple design instantly glow. Viewers and friends, nature-inspired greenery, wooden chairs, and a simple glass bottle come together to create a nature-inspired centerpiece. Claim nature and perfect for a minimal Christmas look. Viewers, candy fun. A playful bottle centerpiece decorated with red and white strips, candy gas elements, and festive lights. Cute, cheerful, and full of Christmas joy. So viewers, I hope you like my review. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates. So viewers, Allah Hafiz.